you go. Feet in. Yep. One, together. Grab the bottom of those and hike them up for me. You got a little beetle.
John wants to know what happens if I pass out while we're falling.
I'll take care of it.
Do you hear that, John?
Yeah.
Nobody didn't like it. Ow! My thighs!
Be alright. Stand up.
Good Lord, you're so tiny. Thank goodness.
It's not going to get much tighter.
What? Don't you have one full?
This is a small harness. Small leg.
What about the children? Do you have a child size?
Children don't fly. Maybe 18.
What about Asians? They're little.
Somewhere about 8,000 to 9,000 feet or so, we'll start hooking up your harness to our parachute. We'll call out each point of attachment as we go along. You'll get your feet right up there to the edge. You'll be crouched down, hands in your harness. Say ready, we'll rock you forward, sets back, and then we'll say arch. We're gonna roll out of the aircraft. So this me putting my knees on the ground, that's us, we just left the aircraft for free fall. So get the butt up, hips forward, again, hands in your harness, okay? So you'll hear some kind of a ready, set, and arch. Down on the knees, pick the butt up, push the hips forward. Put your hips forward. There you go, that's what we want. Yup. Yup. Okay? Tap you on the shoulders, we do what? Arms up. Yup. Go ahead and stand on up. You're going to hold the arch throughout the duration of the free fall. Once the parachute's open, you guys can relax.
Yeah. And his voice.
Yay!
How was it? Refreshing.
You lived.
I lived. I did not die.
I'll be right back.
Good.
Fact.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
No, I want some food.
We're late to our party.
I figured.
We're supposed to be there right now.
That's okay. Worth it.
Good. Alright, let's go find Jeff.
Okay. I like everything.